Hello guys, welcome to Hoston Machine Tools. This is Coco. Today I'm gonna show you our light-duty single-roller CNC metal spinning machine model WLL-SRS650. It can process maximum 650 mm circle diameter with a maximum thickness 1 mm stainless steel, 1.5 mm carbon steel, and 2 mm aluminum. Now let me introduce you the main parts of this machine one by one. This is a spindle box with a casted machine frame and spindle motor here. It's equipped with the Chinese brand KND CNC controller. This machine is still under the installation. And here is a spindle. Connected with the spindle, this shining part is a mold, which we could customize according to customers' drawings or samples. Here is a 3-position 12-post, and this is a spinning roller. This is a press polishing, which could make the surface more smooth. And you can also add another tooling here. This is a tailstock. Here is a hydraulic station with the cool fanning, the motor, valve, and pump, and oil tank here. And this is the lubrication device. Here is the main electrical cabinet. The electrical components we are using is from French Schneider. For more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.hostonspinning.com or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your watching.